A nation waiting for a Supreme Court decision that has a lot riding on it. Could Roe v. Wade be overturned? And if so, what does that mean for Nebraskans? Channel 8's Yosef Nasser has more in our top story tonight. Yosef?
Good evening, Megan. A Mississippi abortion case has been dubbed the most important one of its kind in 50 years. But even if Roe v. Wade is overturned, it does not mean that abortions will be banned in Nebraska, at least not right away.
Roe and the cases that follow it make clear that that decision about whether and when to terminate a pregnancy really rests on the individual woman and cannot be subject to government interference pre-viability.
Roe v. Wade says a woman has a right to have an abortion before the fetus is viable outside of the womb. That's any time before the third trimester. Here in Nebraska, abortion is illegal if the fetus is over 20 weeks old. A Mississippi law that is being heard by the Supreme Court bans abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy, with the only exceptions being in medical emergencies or extreme fetal abnormalities.
If Roe is overturned in whole or in part, the issue goes back to the states. And our state leaders will be more responsible than ever before for the decisions that they make about abortion.
Several states have what are called trigger laws that will activate if Roe is overturned, effectively banning abortion in those states. While Nebraska does not have a trigger law, it would open the door for senators to introduce legislation to further restrict abortion.
Regardless of what happens at the Supreme Court or what the decision is, that decision that affects Nebraskans' access to care is going to be from those 49 state senators. The threat is very real, but there's hope in the fact that we as Nebraskans can reach out to our state senators.
Depending on the outcome of this case and how far the court goes with their ruling, that will help dictate and shape what opportunities and what options are available to our state lawmakers here in Nebraska.